Hey guys, Justin here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a closer look at and installing the Red Rock door handle covers here in gloss black, fitting your 2019 and newer Ram 1500 equipped with the passive entry feature. Now the door handle covers that we have here today would be an awesome way to cover up a set of chrome or scratched factory handles on all newer Rams, but without breaking the bank. The covers will feature a fade-resistant ABS plastic build along with that gloss black finish and can be had for well south of $100 for all 4 sets. So I can think of a few different reasons why newer Ram owners might want to consider these affordable handles from Red Rock. Now, first and foremost, maybe you're just trying to cover up a set of damaged or scratched stockers. Yes, I know these are newer trucks overall, but the reality is the factory handles can take a bit of abuse, get a bit beat up, especially if this is a work truck. Now, secondly, maybe you have a chrome package Ram at home and you're working on toning down or getting rid of that chrome altogether. If that is the case, these would certainly be an easier and much more affordable alternative than swapping out the handles altogether. Finally, guys, these are also going to offer a nice color contrast for truck owners out there looking to go with that popular blacked out look by adding things like black emblems, smoked lighting, and black wheels. With that being said, if you wanted to add some of that color contrast throughout your truck, this is going to be, again, one of those nice little touches. But ultimately, I'm going to strongly recommend checking out some of the customer submitted images on these highly rated covers because you do get a better sense of how fellow Ram owners are using them, but also how they look once they've been installed. Now quickly moving into construction, and I say quickly because there's really not a whole lot to talk about here, but you will find that the Red Rock covers are molded to the exact shape of your factory door handles on your Ram, and they are made from a durable automotive grade ABS plastic. Now the plastic itself has been given a gloss black finish. There is a UV coating baked in just to prevent any fading on the covers over the years. Now you can also see, guys, you are getting a set of 4 covers here. So you're getting ones obviously for the front doors and of course on the back as well. Quick note on fitment here, guys. Again, these are only gonna fit the Rams out there equipped with the passive entry feature. Basically, if you're not familiar with what that is, it's that feature that allows you to keep the keys in your pocket and unlocking the door simply just by placing your hand in the handle and opening the door. So with that being said, these covers will not fit the 2019 and newer Ram Classic models. So again, just keep that in mind. Now touching on the price point here with the Red Rock covers, guys, again, these are super affordable compared to a brand new set of handles here. So under $100 is what you're looking at for the set of 4, which does make these one of the most affordable options currently on the site at this time if you're looking to swap out all 4 covers. Now moving into our installation portion of today's video, the back of each handle cover, you will find the 3M automotive grade tape, which has been pre-installed for you, meaning these things are ready to rock right out of the box. Now because this is gonna be a simple stick-on, peel and stick job, site's gonna call it a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 30 minutes of your time to complete from start to finish. But this is gonna be one of those installs, guys, that it will really only be as good as your prep work. So definitely make sure you take your time, clean everything thoroughly before getting started. But now to give you a better idea of just how this one might go down in the garage or driveway at home, here's an American Trucks customer to walk you through it.
Hey guys, today we're going to be installing some Red Rock door handle covers on my 2022 Ram 1500 Rebel. Comes in the box, you have your 4 door handle covers and the little keyhole covers end caps. Some extra tools you might need for the installation is just a nice microfiber towel and a little bit of watered down greaser. These are attached to the door handles with some double-sided tape. So this is just good to help clean up the oil and then any dirt that might be there. We'll start here on the passenger rear door. I like to spray my solution on my cloth directly and then just give it a good quick wipe down. Get any oil and dirt off of there that could help or that would prevent a good adhesion. And then just flip over to the dry side, dry it off. And on the handles here, you'll have your double-sided tape. You just need to peel off all the protector and then just pop it on. With all the protectors off, just line it up. And it pops right into place. pressure down just to get some heating all around. There it is. And then you do the same thing with the end cap here. All right, just one down, 3 more to go. My truck did come equipped with passive entry, so this is the kit that comes specifically for that. You'll notice that it has the little cutout for the button. The rears don't have it, so just make sure that when you are putting these on, you pay attention to that to get the right covers onto the right door handles. Once again, a little solution on the rag. Give it a good wipe. Adhesive backing off. Okay. So all the backing off, you can just line it up, pop it on. You'll feel it kind of sink into place when you put it on, and then just go around and give it a good. The end cap. Okay, and then do the driver's side. You notice on the driver's side end cap, there's a cutout for the keyhole, so make sure you are using the right one for that. There's only one, so. And now for the driver's side rear door. For the end cap. And there you have it. All 4 caps are on. Thanks for watching, guys.
So again, wrapping things up here, if you are looking for an easy and super affordable way to cover up the stock handles on your 2019 and newer Ram at home, then be sure to check out a set of these covers today from Red Rock right here at AmericanTrucks.com.